Question 7 looks interesting. We have 4 supply curves. Let's see, what do they want to know? Which statement about the price elasticities of the curves is correct? First says, curve 1 has constant infinite elasticity. 1 is perfectly inelastic, right? The supply curve, and price elasticity of supply of 1 is 0, so no, not correct. B says curve 2 has elasticity greater than curve 4 over its whole length. No, curve 2 is more inelastic than curve 4. It's a steeper curve, steeper than curve 4. So no to B. C says curve 3 has increasing elasticity as price rises. No, actually, curve 3 has increasing inelasticity as price rises. And here's kind of a restatement. Curve 4 has decreasing elasticity as price rises. That's true. So yes. Hey, you know, generally for elasticity of demand, this is demand, right? So for elasticity of demand, here it's elastic, here it's unitary in the middle, right? And at the lower prices, it's inelastic. For supply, the opposite is true. It's elastic up here, or it's inelastic up here. It's unitary in the middle, and it's elastic down here. So answer for 7 is D. Question 8. Let's see. The data shows short-term and long-term changes in the quantities of a product that are supplied. Wow. So we're looking at short-term and long-term price elasticities of supply for the product. Here's our information. And we need to calculate this, right? Let's see. At 20 per unit, there's 400. 20 per unit, there's 400. Short-term, supplied after short-term adjustments, 25 per unit. Change in price is 5 over 20 equals 25. Change in quantity is 40 over 400. 40 over 400 is 10%, right? So we have 10 divided by 25, which looks like 0.4. So that's our short term, and that's the only answer with 0.4 for the short term price elasticity of supply. Let's check long term just to be sure. Price change is the same, $5 from a price of 20 to begin with. That's 25%. $5.60 per week. 160 divided by 400 is 40%. 40 is, yeah, that's 1.6. 40 divided by 25, 1.6. So answer for 8 must be A.